Dad? Dad? It's Amber. Is there anything I can do? Anything? You just tell me. Do you need a lawyer? Doctor? I'll help you now. Is there anything you want to talk about, Dad? How about your grandkids? Is there anything you want to say to me?
Me and your mom growing up, fighting all day, screaming our heads off at each other. That wasn't us, not your mom, not you kids, not us. It wasn't really us. Your old man fucked up all the time and didn't take care of your poor mom. Wasn't there for your brother. It was never who I wanted to be, who I dreamed of being. But you gotta know, there was a time when we all really loved each other. There was so much fucking love. All the neighbors, your grandparents were jealous. I wanted so bad to be there for you guys, protect you. But when your mama killed our baby, it was too damn hard for me.
I'm gonna give you $1,000 a month when you get out, so you can get the help that you need. I'm gonna go now.
It's okay, baby girl. You just keep on protecting your family. Take care of your family.